Stir-fried shrimp with assorted vegetables. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Rinse and devein shrimp. Drain. Mix shrimp with wine, salt, 8 white and cornstarch in that order, mixing after each addition. Step 2. Before frying, add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix so that the shrimp will separate easily during frying. Step 3. Heat the wok, then add oil. Fry the shrimp over medium heat until cooked. Pre-cooking, remove shrimp. Step 4. Remove oil from the wok. Reheat the wok and add 2 tablespoons oil. Stir-fry the brown onions until fragrant. Step 5. Add the diced vegetables, 2 tablespoons water, and stir-fry until the liquid has almost completely evaporated and the ingredients are cooked. Step 6. Add shrimp and the thickening mixture of salt, cornstarch, pepper, sesame oil and 2 tablespoons water. Step 7. Turn the heat to very high, stir quickly to mix. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.